Welcome friends. Today we're diving into not just a crypto exchange, but a full ecosystem that's changing the game, BingX. Why BingX? A simple interface makes it perfect for beginners. Most features are available even without KYC. Freedom from the very first step. Partnership with Chelsea Football Club highlights its official status and global trust. Constant growth and new features turn BingX into the platform of the future. In this video you'll learn how to register and fund your account, how to trade on spot and futures, and most importantly, how to use the tool that made BingX a legend in the crypto world. Copy trading. And I'll also show you how to claim a bonus of up to 11,000 USDT when you register through our link and enter promo code CP6969. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscription, and check the description. All useful links are already there. BingX is an international cryptocurrency platform founded in 2018. Its core idea is convenience and simplicity. That's why the exchange quickly gained popularity. The interface is so intuitive that even those discovering crypto for the first time feel confident. Today, millions of traders around the world use BingX, and the platform consistently ranks among the top in copy trading and derivatives volume. Key advantages of BingX: no KYC for most features, spot trading, futures, deposits and withdrawals, and copy trading. All available without mandatory verification. KYC is only required for P2P and certain fiat operations, making BingX convenient both for beginners and for those who value privacy. World-class copy trading. Copy trading is the tool that made BingX famous worldwide. The platform allows you to mirror the trades of professional traders, with detailed statistics and transparent trade history. This makes the process maximally clear and easy to use. Security that meets global standards. Most assets are stored in cold wallets, and reserves are regularly verified through the Proof of Reserves system. Direct community cooperation. It's important to note that our community works directly with BingX. If you register via our link and join our trading chat, we can help resolve financial issues faster, thanks to a direct line of communication with BingX representatives. The chat link is in the description under the video. BingX continues to grow actively, adding new tools, and remains one of the most convenient and democratic platforms. For beginners, easy entry into crypto without complicated steps. For experienced traders, advanced strategies and passive income through copy trading. BingX is not just an exchange, but a platform where simplicity meets opportunity and trading becomes accessible to everyone. Registration takes less than a minute and unlocks all the platform's features. Follow the link in the description. It's our official partner link with promo code CP6969, which activates a welcome bonus of up to 11,000 USDT. Enter your email or phone number, create a strong password and choose your region. Agree to the terms and click Create Account. Receive a confirmation code by email or SMS and enter it on the BingX website. That's it, your account is ready. Now you can fund your balance, start trading, and use all the tools of the exchange. Check the description. There you'll find useful links to help you get started faster and get the most out of BingX. Bonuses, trading, and freedom. It all begins with registration. The first thing you should do after registration is enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is not just a formality, but a real barrier that protects your account and funds even if your password is compromised. How to enable protection? Go to your profile, icon in the top right corner, and open Security Center. Activate the two-factor authentication option. Choose what you want to protect: account login, withdrawals, or settings changes. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code that appears on the BingX website. Enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Be sure to save the backup key. It will be useful if you lose access to your phone. Result: from now on, every login and withdrawal will be confirmed with a code from the app. Even if someone learns your password, without 2FA access to your account will remain locked. BingX stands out among major exchanges because it allows you to use most functions even without KYC. But if you want to unlock the platform's full potential, higher limits, P2P trading, access to fiat operations, and extra privileges, it's worth completing identity verification. How to do it? Go to your profile, icon in the top right corner, and select identity verification. Enter your country of residence. Choose a document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically match the data. Provide your residential address and submit the application. What you get after approval? Verification takes from a few minutes to an hour. Once approved, your status changes to verified, and you unlock higher deposit and withdrawal limits, full access to P2P, fiat deposit and withdrawal methods, maximum privileges and convenience in trading. All the top exchanges, reliable wallets, and trusted services with exclusive bonuses are collected for you in the description under the video. Check it out. There's already a set of tools waiting to help you start in crypto faster and more profitably. How to fund your BingX account. BingX gives you freedom of choice. Fund your balance with cryptocurrency via P2P or through exchangers. Each method is fast and convenient, suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Funding with cryptocurrency. If you already have crypto, this is the most direct way. In the Assets menu, select the account you need and click Deposit. Choose the coin, for example USDT, and the network: TRC20, ERC20, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, and more. Copy the address provided by the system and send funds from another wallet or exchange. Rule number 1. The sending network must match the deposit network. A mismatch equals loss of funds. Funding via P2P. Perfect for buying USDT directly with your bank card. Go to Buy Crypto, P2P. Select your currency and payment method. Find a seller with a high rating. Enter the amount, create the order, and transfer the money. Confirm the payment, and the coins will automatically appear on your balance. Funding via exchanger. Ideal if P2P is unavailable or you need a quick transfer. Follow the exchanger link in the description. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the coin. For example, USDT TRC20. Paste your BingX deposit address and complete the payment. Within a few minutes, the funds will be credited to your account. In the end, BingX gives you flexibility. Deposit crypto directly, buy via P2P, or use an exchanger. Simple, fast, and secure. 3 paths, 1 result. Your balance is ready for trading. On BingX, you can withdraw cryptocurrency or fiat via P2P and exchangers. Everything is simple. Withdrawals work just like deposits, only in reverse. Spot trading is the classic way to trade cryptocurrency, buying and selling at the current price or at the price you set yourself. Everything happens in the spot section, and it's very easy to understand. How to trade on spot. In the top menu, select spot. Find the trading pair you need, for example, BTC USDT. At the bottom, choose the order type. Market. The trade is executed instantly at the current price. Limit. You set your own buy or sell price. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the coins are immediately credited to your spot account. From there, you can withdraw them, convert into other assets, use them in other sections of the platform. Spot trading on BingX is a simple and clear way to work with crypto, suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Futures trading is available in the separate futures section. Here you can profit both from rising and falling prices by using leverage. BingX offers perpetual contracts, USDT M, Coin M, and standard futures. How to open a trade. In the top menu, select futures. Choose the contract type and trading pair, for example BTC USDT. Set your leverage from 1 to 100. Choose trade direction. Long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Select order type, market, limit, or stop. Enter the trade amount. Set stop loss and take profit levels. Click open position. All active positions are displayed at the bottom of the terminal. Here you can track your P&L, adjust stop levels, close trades fully or partially. Futures on BingX are a flexible tool for active traders, allowing you to work both ways in the market and manage risks with stops and take profits. Want to learn how to invest and trade the right way? Join our Telegram channel. We explain everything in simple language without unnecessary complexity. The link is under the video. On BingX, copy trading is not just a feature, it's a whole ecosystem. The exchange is among the global leaders in trade copying and offers hundreds of traders with different strategies and risk levels. This format is perfect for those who want to earn income in the market without spending time on charts and complex analysis. How to connect. In the top menu, open the copy trading section. You'll see a list of traders with detailed statistics, ROI, risk level, number of followers, active trades, and trading history. Choose a trader whose style suits you and click follow. Enter the amount you're ready to allocate and confirm the connection. From that moment, all trades of the chosen trader will automatically be mirrored in your account, proportionally to the allocated amount. BingX provides flexible management tools, loss limits, maximum trade amount, number of simultaneously open positions, auto-stop copying when a set limit is reached. You can always stop copying, close individual trades, or disable a strategy completely. Professional traders earn a percentage of their followers' profits. This motivates them to trade carefully and aim for consistent results. That's why copy trading on BingX has become one of the most popular tools for passive income. Copy trading is the opportunity to earn alongside experienced traders while keeping things simple and maintaining full control over your risks. BingX offers ready-made trading bots that take care of all the routine. They allow you to automate your strategy and trade without constantly monitoring charts. This is especially convenient for those who want stable long-term income or prefer to hold positions based on chosen logic. Types of bots. Spot grid. Buys during dips and sells during rises using market volatility. Futures grid. Works on the same grid but with futures and leverage. Martingale bot. DCA. Increases trade volume during corrections to recover faster when the price bounces back. AI bots. Strategies with automatically optimized parameters for current market conditions. How to launch a bot. Hover over the assets icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select bot account. Click create and choose the bot type. Spot grid, futures grid, martingale, or AI strategy. Select a trading pair, for example BTC USDT. Configure parameters manually, price range, number of levels, volume, leverage, or choose AI recommended for automatic settings. Enter the amount you want to allocate to the bot and click create. What the bot does. Once launched, it works automatically. Buys assets during dips, sells during rises, maintains the strategy around the clock, locks in profits without your participation. You can at any time. Stop the bot, adjust parameters, withdraw part of the profit. View full performance statistics. Transparency. BingX provides a detailed report of all operations. Income, order grid, profitability, risks, and strategy dynamics. Trading bots on BingX are your personal tool for automated trading, working for you 24/7 and turning market volatility into profit. In the wealth section, your crypto starts working for you. It's a set of tools that allow you to earn flexibly, safely, and with higher returns, without constant chart monitoring or manual trading. What's available in wealth? Earn, the simplest and most reliable products, flexible term. Withdraw funds anytime, fixed term. Higher yield, a great deposit and earn interest option. Shark Fin, a protected product with boosted returns. If the price stays within the set range, maximum profit. If it goes beyond, your principal remains protected. Dual currency investments, earn from price movements, with payouts in one of two assets depending on the market. Loans, get liquidity backed by your crypto without selling your coins. How to use, go to the wealth section, choose a product and coin, enter the amount. Interest is credited automatically, and all statistics can be viewed in assets, wealth account. Wealth is the perfect option for those who want stable passive income without spending all day on charts. If you still have questions, welcome to our private referral chat. It's not just a place to talk, but a full space where we explain all the details of working with BingX, share practical trading and investing tips, analyze mistakes, and show how to avoid them. The chat link is in the description under the video. BingX has created a convenient and intuitive mobile app that fully mirrors the web version. It includes everything: registration, deposits, trading, bots, P2P, copy trading, and the wealth section, all in one interface. Why it's convenient: fast and stable performance, no freezes even when opening trades. Full futures functionality, leverage, different order types, position management. Instant sync with the web version. Easily switch between computer and phone. Designed for active traders or those on the go, turning your smartphone into a full trading terminal ready every day. In the end, BingX gives you the ability to keep the exchange always at hand. Convenient, fast, and without limits. BingX has been operating since 2018 and has never experienced major hacks. The platform is rightfully considered one of the most reliable in its segment, as its security architecture is designed to maximize protection of user accounts and funds. Main security elements: cold storage of assets. Most funds are kept in offline wallets, inaccessible to external attacks. Proof of reserves. The exchange confirms that all user balances are 100% backed. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, required for login, withdrawals, and settings changes. Real-time notifications. Logins, transactions, and security changes are tracked and delivered instantly. Withdrawal protection. Every transaction requires 2FA confirmation. Thanks to this system, BingX provides a level of protection comparable to the world's top exchanges. Your funds remain under reliable control, and your account is safeguarded against unauthorized access. BingX knows how to motivate newcomers. By registering through our link and entering the promo code, you can receive bonuses of up to 11,000 USDT. This isn't just a number, it's real capital that helps you start trading with extra strength. The bonus amount depends on your deposit, trading volume, and participation in special promotions. How to claim your bonuses: register via the link in the description. Fund your account and meet the conditions of the welcome program. Receive bonuses that can be used directly in trades. They act as an extra buffer and expand your opportunities. BingX Referral Program. The exchange gives you the chance to earn not only from trading, but also from your community. In your account dashboard, open the Invite Friends section. Copy your unique referral link. When invited users start trading, you receive a percentage of their fees. Thus, your network becomes a source of stable passive income. Extra opportunities. BingX regularly runs promotions, giveaways, and limited time campaigns. This means the chance to earn extra bonuses is always around. You just need to keep an eye on updates. If you haven't yet liked and subscribed, now's the time. That way you'll support our project and never miss new reviews, guides, and bonus drops. All useful links are already waiting for you under the video. Our Telegram channel with live discussions and insights. A selection of the best exchanges for trading. Reliable wallets for storing crypto. BingX is a full ecosystem where trading, investing, and passive income come together in one place. It's comfortable for both beginners and experienced traders. Fast interface, deep futures liquidity, copy trading, trading bots, the wealth section, convenient P2P, and a mobile app. Since 2018, the platform has been growing rapidly, adding new features, and confidently securing its place among crypto market leaders. BingX is becoming more popular worldwide because it combines simplicity, flexibility, and powerful tools. If you want to trade comfortably and unlock maximum opportunities, BingX is your best choice. Follow the link in the description, register, and claim your bonuses. Then join our trading chat. It's not just a group, but a space where we grow and earn together. Inside, you'll get simple explanations of complex topics, quick answers to any questions. We help referrals learn crypto faster, find working solutions, and move forward with confidence. BingX provides the tools, and our community provides the support. Together, this becomes a strong start and steady growth.